We're loving what we're seeing so far. Our engagement score stands at 84. We've been able to automate so much of the routine queries that we receive. About 98% of them are now answered using AI. At WeWork, our mission is to empower tomorrow's world at work. And now, we're using AI to take this a few notches higher.
While we were doing biannual surveys earlier, we realized that point-in-time traditional surveys won't cut it anymore.
When you have to answer the same questions over and over, it's quite repetitive, and in most of those scenarios, you don't get to control the quality of communication, which is why we were looking for a solution that can do that for us and offer our team members answers at their own time and pace.
And finally, we want to create systems that help us build the workplace of the future, not just for our colleagues, but also for our members.
With AI Assist, it's mostly to answer team members' queries on autopilot and deliver a personalized experience. It's the simplicity and ease of use, which is why we see higher adoption, and need-based searchable content relative to what you're looking for, and it's near instant answers, which is why it's also far more effective.
A few days ago, I needed some policy-related documents, and the tool was actually able to give it to me then and there, and I didn't have to wait for my people team to come back to work the next day.
We're now able to predict and prevent employee attrition by addressing concerns proactively rather than reactively.
Amber is now my new friend and confidant in work, and I know I can go and talk to it about some of my challenges. The best part, however, is that when you are chatting with Amber, you don't feel like you're chatting with a tool. It actually feels like there's a human at the other end of it.
We use AI not just to gather feedback, but also act on that valuable feedback and close the feedback loop through action planning. What I like about Infido's AI is that it is rooted in people science, and it is based on engagement drivers like the organization, culture, career development, the manager, the team, etc. Our leaders are feeling more empowered now to lead their teams because they're equipped with real-time feedback, to make the necessary changes and take actions. And finally, this has created some bandwidth for my team. They are now engaged more meaningfully, and they can focus on long-term initiatives that can create sustainable business impact. We work to create a culture of listening, trust, and empowerment.
We work to provide inclusive opportunities.
We work to innovate for the workplace of tomorrow.
And Infido AI lets us automate with science and simplicity.